All right. There we go. Okay. That seems to be working pretty good. Let's make sure real quick. All right. So I just yeah, that's it. Yeah, there we go. Okay, awesome. All right, so uh just got pretty much everything set up and everything. So decide let's try this room like right here. I already joined the room. It is called Kiba, Kiba. Um, Never done this room, I don't believe, but identify the critical security flaw in the data visualization dashboard that allows for RCE. So we're gonna try that. So I started the machine, everything. Hopefully it's starting here. Not really seeing much happening, so maybe refresh this guy. It says please allows up to 7 minutes start. I don't know if I'm gonna allow that much time to start, but we'll see what happens, I guess. What happened there, try hack me? What's going on? Why are you being weird now? Okay, let's just get right back into it then. That's weird. That was a really weird one, like right there. So it was just working a minute ago, so why did we just lose everything here? We go to Google. Yeah, we go to Google. Did try hack me get lost somewhere along the lines? If so, we might have to go to INE. Maybe INE.com. Maybe do a black box. Because try hack me does not seem to be wanting to work like right now. Let's try one more time. It's really weird. Let's try it on this guy like right here. Let's see if we can get to it through this guy. Nope, that's really, really weird. Alright, looks like we're going to INE then. We'll see what happens here. So it looks like we're going to be doing a black box, I guess, today. Let me go ahead and update that in this thing. I forgot to change name. Name. Be black box 1. No? No, I remember I'll change the name. Whatever. It's fine. We'll do a black box and we'll go from there. So, going to get into here and I guess we'll just try to do a black box today or maybe a part of a black box test. Maybe this would be like a couple part series or something like that. Oh, maybe not. Triac, we did just come back. So might be saving that black box to another time. Still it takes a lot longer to set up than try hack me as long as it actually keeps moving. What? Let's go ahead and go to black box. I don't know, 3. I don't know which one. Let's click start lab. We'll download the VPN and everything like that just in case. We're sorry, this lab is currently under maintenance. Really? Okay, maybe we're not doing anything today then. First day back, maybe we're not going to do anything at all. I guess we'll find out, huh? Let's see if Black Box 1 is currently under maintenance. I've already done Black Box 2 a few times now. So I don't know how much fun that would be. Especially since this is recording. Under maintenance. Wow. Okay. And try hack me. Looks like it's under maintenance or something. Anything on hack the box? Hackthebox.eu, isn't it that? No, it's not that one. Man, that's pretty crazy. Nothing seems to want to work like right now. Really crazy. Might just exit out of the out of here and get back into him. But I should have everything up and running just fine. Alright, there we go. There's that. It's going super slow though. Let's try to log in over here. Alright. So we're going to go back to learn and I guess we'll just find something again. All rooms. Let's see here. What should we do? Not add map. Introductory to networking. Crash course on various topics. Penetration testing. Kenobi. I've already done one on that guy. So let's go through a little bit. Steel Mountain, we could do this guy. Hack the Mr. Robot the window machine. Let's try to do some Steel Mountain here. Well, Steel Mountain, that was not. That used to be a free room like right there, I believe. I thought I've done that one before. There we go. Or Sweet Pickle Rick. Although I've already done. Crack the hash. Looking for that one. We could do buffer overflow prep. I just do that one not too long ago. So ignite maybe, and do startup has a few issues with the web server. All right, let's see. Let's see what kind of issues they have here. I know this one lately. Nope, not this guy I haven't yet. So let's go ahead and join that room, and we'll try to start the machine up, and we'll see what happens. So we're gonna do ignite, I guess now. Yeah, I haven't done it so long. I forgot how to change the name of everything and stuff like that. So I mean, it happens. So it's gonna take about a minute to start up, and after that's done, we'll go from there. Hopefully you can figure this room out, huh? Do a little walkthrough for it, hopefully. Let me go ahead and make a directory for this guy. Try hack me, ignite. Oh yeah, I know that. Make directory, ignite. Alright, cool. So we are in ignite now. And once this guy comes up and running, we'll go ahead and do a rust scan on him. Try to make it quick. Might do a couple. This might be too fast. We'll find out here in a second. And we'll go from here. So you guys probably cannot see that at all, can you? There we go. Okay. CD back into there. Desktop. Try hack me, ignite. And try to ping it first off. See if it's up and running like right now. Okay, so it is up and running. So let's try that rust scan again. So we know we have port 80 open. So we're going to do an mmap, tac sc, tac sv, v on 80. See if we get anything with that. And we'll go ahead and get out to this web and look at it while everything else is doing its thing. Hopefully we didn't go too fast with it. That's it. Port 80, huh? I do not believe that at all. Just port 80. I feel like that's not true at all. Welcome to Fuel CMS version 1.4. Well, that's pretty specific right there. So let's try to see if we can do anything with Fuel CMS version 1.4. I guess that's super specific. All right, so search exploit Fuel CMS. See what we got for fuel. Fuel CMS version 1.4. All right. Don't know if it's 1.4.1 or what it is. Let's see here. Install a database. Make configuration changes. That's it. Boom. To access Fuel Admin, go to that page like right there. Open like a new tab. Username admin, password admin. Let's see if that's true. Let's see if we can actually get on that. Admin. That'll be sweet. Don't save. And we can. Okay. I'll change my password later. So we've now gotten here, so we're good. I mean, that was, so we're in the admin page for it. That was pretty easy. All right, let's go ahead and let's see. We got Ruby shell here, so we know we got Metasploit shell. So let's go ahead and fire up Metasploit. MSF console, tac q, so I don't get the banner. And let's see what Metasploit shows us. Can we create like another administrative user? Permissions. Just click on everything. Ryan, test at gmail, at test.com. First name. Ryan. Last name, Ryan. Password, Ryan. Confirm password, Ryan. Save. There's an error sending an email test that. Okay, do I have to put an actual. Whoever test at gmail.com is probably hates their life. This username is empty or already exists. Really? Okay. Permissions. I want them all. I want every single permission. Can I do that? There's an error sending an email. Okay, so no matter what, doesn't look like I create my own user. That's okay though, because we can just get right back to here and see we have assets, navigation. Oh, upload. Can we just upload reverse shell in this thing and we're done? Let's see here. Search for fuel. We got a Ruby shell, don't we? All right, that's weird. We got a Ruby script like right here, so I figured that would be a Python script, but so we got that and that. So we got the remote code execution one, which is a Python script. So let's go ahead and look at that then, I guess. So we'll exit out of here, and we'll go ahead and do that search exploit again. Search exploit for fuel, then we'll search exploit tac m to bring it down back to us. This guy right here, I guess we'll try this 1.4.1. I guess we'll try this one first. Okay, so let's go ahead and cat that. So what do we have to put in here? So import request URL. So we need our URL. It definitely says 8881. Also looks like we have robots.txt in there. Is that correct? Let's see here. What we got? 10 point robots. ROBOT robots.txt. Okay, user agent disallow fuel. Okay, well, we already found fuel. So once we got to that, all right. So we need HTTP in there, but that says 8881. What if I should run that Rust scan again? See if there is an 8881 in here. I just feel like that's a really weird, like, they put that port on the end of there, you know? I feel like that's kind of weird. So I'm going to run that one more time. Still only looking at port 80 so far. Okay, so we're going to change that URL, obviously. Let's change that. Burp 0 URL. I have no idea what that means, like right there. Hopefully that's good. I guess we'll find out, huh? So let's go ahead and nano that. Let's go ahead and change that URL to what we want it to be, which is going to be, I guess, 10.10.021, I guess. It should be 10.10.0.21. And let's see if we can just send that off. Command. Who am I? Failed to establish a new connection. Connection refused. All right, that's okay. Let's go ahead and copy from Pentest Monkey. Pentest Monkey. Let's see if we can get a PHP reverse shell. And I only have a PHP reverse shell in here. Great. So where the hell did my PHP reverse shell go? Okay, that's good. What was this doing King of the Hill? Did I accidentally move it into food? That's no. Yes, I did. Okay, so move PHP reverse shell back into, or actually we should probably do a copy, huh? We'll just copy it. Copy PHP reverse shell back into that Pentest Monkey PHP reverse shell. Enter. All right, cool. So now we should be able to copy from Pentest Monkey PHP reverse shell, and we should have that. What? Oh, period. Sorry. All right. Now that we're there, let's go ahead and Go ahead and see what that guy has to offer. Nano, PHP for shell. I think I still had that one thing copied. The IP address there that I need. Whoa. Cancel that. I don't know what that was all about. No, I want the IP address, didn't I? I have config 10.9.169. So we want 10.9.169. Port 4444. Let's go ahead and send that off. See if we can do something like that. So we definitely have an upload here. So let's try to upload something. We'll browse for, see if we can upload a PHP file, I guess. Desktop, try hack me, and we are in, where are we at like right now? I don't even know what this one's even called. Ignite. Okay, and we'll try to send that up. You cannot select a PHP file, try again. Okay, what about if we just move PHP to gg.gif? What if we do that? Can we do something like that? And then upload it? And it won't notice, okay? New file name is gg, subfolder. I guess we'll leave it just like that. We'll upload it like that. We'll see what happens. File type attempted to upload is not allowed. Alright. So I'm also looking at this group ID thing up here. Site variables, users, permissions. Let's see what different permissions we have, some of that. So I'm looking at a lot of stuff here. Page cache, activity log, settings, navigation. I'm definitely seeing stuff in here. Pages. I wonder if we can upload something like that here. Yes, upload it. The file type here, upload is not allowed. Okay. Upload question mark. Can we do some type of PHP thing out here? Like a, where did I see the other one? Assets, right? If I try to upload it again, right? We get this whole thing right here. We don't get a PHP question mark or anything like that. So, I mean, I don't know. This is kind of a difficult one, like right here. So where to go next? You know what I'm saying? We got that robots.txt. We found fuel. We got the user text and everything else. So we got all of that. And I'm not really seeing. Let's try to do like a Nicto scan on it, I guess. Can always try that guy right there. Huh. And then we did have quite a few things for search plate. For fuel. Maybe it's 1.4.7, maybe something that's SQL injection authenticated. Multiple vulnerabilities. Let's look up this guy right here online. I also want to kind of look up that Ruby script. Let's go ahead and search exploit that Ruby script. Attack on, and it was that Ruby script right here, right? Which I'm kind of surprised that this Ruby script did not show up in a Metasploit there, since it is a Ruby script. Require HTTP client, require doc opt doc equals usage file URL and command. Attack H for help. URL root your base path clean HTTP scheme port and root folder. System command execute show this screen. Okay, let's try to look up fuel CMS exploit. Fuel CMS, they got GitHub on it. Requirements. That's the Ruby shell like right there for it. I feel like we're gonna be looking at this guy right here. Fuel CMS allows PHP code evaluation via pages, select filter parameter, preview data parameter. Pre-authentication. Huh. This is a little bit harder than I thought it was going to be. What's up? White source vulnerability database. Fuel CMS remote code execution 1 and 2. They have both of them on here. Okay, so URL. We already changed that. Raw input the command. Or if we need to get rid of, because we're not using burp like right now, right? So what if we can get rid of that, like right there? Let's go ahead and nano 47. Or if we can just get rid of that burp thing right there, because we're not using that, right? Let's go ahead and whoop. We're also not using a proxy either. I'm gonna leave that the same. Hopefully that doesn't mess with things too much. Let's see here. Python. I didn't even put in okay, file, attack our burp request. Burp URL is not identified. Yeah, that's what I'm seeing too. Word. So can we just get rid of that also? That's all I wonder, like right there is. Let's see here. Let's look at that code again. I wonder if we can just get rid of that guy or what. Proxy. Proxy is equal proxy. I don't know. I don't know if we need that proxy in there. We get rid of burp and proxy. We don't have a proxy up and running like right now. Okay, let's try that. Okay. If burp 0 URL is not defined, but I don't want to use burp suite at all. Yeah, that's why it's then request get burp 0 URL. URL plus fuel pages. Let's try that. Okay. Python. Take it a little bit longer. Okay. That did something. System data. Okay. So can I do like an ls-tech LA? With all this crazy crap underneath it, or no? Can I do that? Okay, yes I can. So we have quite a few things here. All right, cool. So can I do like sudo tac-l? Or is it gonna say like no? Might as well go into cd, send it back into scripts, see what I can run. Cat suid lookup.txt. Let's try to run that too. Can I do that like right there? Or is it gonna tell me system? Yeah, it's pretty much, I'm pretty sure it's just saying no. Okay, let's try that like right there, see what we can do. See what we can do with that guy right there and see if we can get anything. No sudo tac-l, still trying to find. Not really finding very well now, is it? Let's try that again. Let's see here. Let's do a. That's not running at all. Get UID. Can I do that? Get UID. Is this thing actually running still? I feel like I should be able to see. Okay, so this thing is not running very good at all. So let's do a Python, was it TAC-M, right? HTTP, nope. I want to open up a web server. Um, can we open up a web server? Let's go into my actually directory. And then I should be able to open up a web server. I wonder if I can do like a wget down here, pretty much. We got that gg.gif like right there. And God, there's Python and Apache. Apache, service Apache, right? Service Apache to start. Is that what it is? It looks like that's what it is. All right, cool. So I think we just did it. So I should be able to do a wget um, at my IP address. So I should be able to go into my IP address like right here and actually have a web server up and running, right? And I'm hoping that's running. Actually, I gotta move this thing. I gotta copy gg.gif into var www html, right? Sudo. Okay. Then from here, we should be able to do wget http that slash gg.gif. And hopefully we can actually wget that, creating a reverse shell for ourselves, which would be a lot better than what we have going on like right now. I think we should be able to do that. Oh, did it get it? Or is there an error? I don't know. But what we could do is go to their website and see if they got it, right? We should be able to go to here and then go to gg.gif and see if they got it right. Copy space because it contains errors. Okay, so they definitely got it. So let's go ahead and do a. We'll open that up again. See if it hangs. And it doesn't. Man, that sucks. Come on now. Nope, that thing's not doing anything at all. What if we like need a CD into var www.html? Can we do that? Did we just do it? I have no idea. PWD. Like, where am I like right now? Okay, cool. I'm in var www.html. Now let's go ahead and copy, or now let's go ahead and do that wget. HTTP, boom, boom. I already forgot my IP address. That guy like right there. Boom. And I'm also wondering if I should do that with like move this that gg.gif. It makes a rev.php again for reverse shell as soon as this command goes all the way through. Okay, we'll do that and then we'll copy down that one too. Wget, or actually we'll copy rev.php into the var www.html folder. Whoopsie daisy, that's not going to work right there. Sudo, then we'll try that again, that wget. Damn, I forgot my IP address again. Okay, let's try that gg-gif now. Well, let me go ahead and that cat, make a listener run in. We'll try that again. And that still did not want to run. Oh, never mind, it did run. Okay, cool. So we are in there now. So what we did was we found a way in through the exploit that we found for it. We ended up getting rid of like I think it was just proxies. I think it was, and then from there we were able to start to do some more things in there. and create this reverse shell like right here that we have up here now. We made a web server, put up our web server, did a wget, pulled down our PHP, and now we're in there. So let's see if they got Python here. Which Python? Okay, they do have Python, which means I want to go ahead and cd back to my scripts, cat full shell dot text. Let me kind of, there we go. And let's at least make this a little more interactive. There we go. So right now I'm just www data, so that's not very good, you know, not very high user there. But what we might be able to do is let's see if we can do a cat, what is it, SUID lookup, I think it is, yeah. Let's see if we can do this. Because we don't know any passwords or anything like that. Oh wow, he's got a lot of crap. So we can he can sudo, what the heck? We can mount, what else can we do? pkexec. So we can run sudo on this guy. So I'm wondering if that is something that we have to do. So sudo tackl, let's try that first, sudo tackl. Yep, okay. We can't do anything of that. So that's not going to work. Whoopsie daisy. Alright, well, just kick myself out now. No, 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 no. You should be... What happened? No, 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 no. You should be back up listening. Oh my god. Oh god. Which one is it? Python 47138.py, right? Command wget. Crap. Got me on that one, didn't they? Let's try that, like right there. Definitely 100% got me on that one. Come on now. Okay, so now I should be able to go to rev.php, create a listener. Now let's go to rev.php, see if we get anything. It did not, and come on now. Why would you do this? We're not like kicked out of the box, are we? No, we still have like an hour left. No. Okay, let's try to make that a GIF then again. Or GIF, whatever you want to call it. Nope, I don't want to be in there, do I? I want to actually CD into, actually, you know what? I wonder what's actually in var www.html. Yeah, we still have GG. Okay, so we can still do that. So we can still do we still have PHP first shell in here too. Okay. Wget. Hopefully that gets it, and hopefully we're good with everything. Then I go into, actually CD'd into var www.html last time, didn't I? And then I did that whole command, didn't I, for the wget. So let's do that again. Okay, so we just CD'd in there. So last time I did like a pwd. I don't know why I put that the wrong way. What am I doing here? Maybe that's why it's not working. Because I'm an idiot. Okay. So hopefully we get something with that, like right there. And hopefully we get that this reverse shell back up and running. If it doesn't come back, I'm don't know if I'm gonna how much I'm going to continue doing this. We literally just had it. Come on now. How did I get it last time? This time it doesn't want to show up. Make sure I did actually get there. PWD. Okay, LS Tech LA. See what we got going on here. Holy Jesus, Rev PHP1, what in the hell do we have going on here? Okay, can we just like gift out one? Why does it look like that? 10? Two? What is going on there? We're not getting anything out of these guys, but I mean, we're trying. Alright, we're not getting anywhere else with this guy. God damn it. We had him. I don't know where he went, but we had him. We do that. Remove them all and then try to do this again. Yes, we can. Alright, cool. Let's try that like right there. Let's try to move everything. Then we'll W get again. Then from here we'll see see if it shows up in there. Oh, what time is it also? 10, so 9:30 here. Alright. Yeah, it shows up like crazy, but okay. That's pretty weird how it shows up like that, whatever. Should be trying to talk back to me like right there, but it's not. Let's try this. What was that IP? Here's 10, 10, 10, 0, 21. Let's try this like right here. Maybe it's like cookies or something, I don't know. Well, we got a reverse shell on it, and that's about it. And I don't think I'm going to keep trying very hard with this in all honesty. Because doesn't really seem to be able to get anywhere else. Sudo. Yeah, we got the reverse shell first time, and now it doesn't want to get it again. So I don't know why. What if we just open up like a netcap port on here? Does this thing do NC, or is he gonna be like no? Like, can I just open one up back to myself? I think I can. Can I just do that? Just like open up a port like back to myself and just do it like that? I'm pretty mad that we lost our reverse shell though. So I'm pretty mad about. Or if we need to like reset the room. But if I do that, yeah, I'm definitely not getting back into it after that. Yeah, if it's not going back into it. Don't know why. Yeah, I found myself. Alright. Let's do like a rev PHP up here. It's obviously there. wget http boom 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 10.9.1.69 slash rev.php. Try that guy right there. Trash is my first stream in a while. Haven't streamed in a long time. We just finally moved in and everything like that. Where am I? Okay, I'm in myself. Okay, exit. Why do I keep getting back to myself? Stop doing that. No, stop going into yourself, Ryan. That's me again, isn't it? There we go. And I didn't start a listener, did I? This box is not what I'm talking about. You can obviously see it works because I can do it to myself. This box is not want to talk to me for some reason. Let me try to reset it. I hate doing that, but here we go. I only got about another 10 minutes on this thing anyways. So hopefully we can figure out 10 minutes. If not, then oh well. Keep on rocking in the free world. Now I can't put this on YouTube anymore. 30 seconds. Alright. Oh, we're back in. So hopefully we can use this guy now. You never know. You never know. Yeah, I didn't think so. Okay. So let's go ahead and nano that again. I think it was that one right there, right? And we're going to put in that IP address now. HTTP. Let's go ahead and run that one. Python. Make sure we can actually get into it. Okay, who am I? And looks like we're in it again. Let's go ahead and do a Python server. Is it Python? TACM. Right. Simple HTTP server. We're going to port 8000 there. So now if I go here, then I go to my IP address. 10.9.169.8000. I should see everything that's inside that folder like right there, and I do. There's my rev PHP like right there. So let me go ahead and nano that rev PHP also, just to make sure everything is good with it. 10.9.169.4444. Okay, Control X. All right, cool. Exit out of there. So let's go ahead and do a wget now. Well, actually, let's go to their var www cd into var www. I'm going to try to put it in here first. So we're just going to do a wget 10 http 10.9.1.69 8000 rev.php. And we should see it pop up down here. Yeah, he's getting it a million damn times for some reason, which is really weird to me. But there we go. So let's go ahead and try to run that now. Let's start a listener over here. 4444. And we'll go ahead and try to run that. that. And we're back in again. Okay, that was really weird. Stack LA, we're back into his stuff again, right? So there we go. Okay. Who am I? And we're www data, as you can see. All right, which Python? We do have Python on here, okay? So we can go ahead and stop this web server now. And what we're gonna do now is we're just gonna do a cd into scripts. Actually, we're just gonna cat scripts full shell. Okay, then there we go. All right, so we're in there now. Cool. Let's do an SUID lookup again because we were not getting anything this nice last time either. So let's go ahead and do a cat scripts SUID, and let's see what we got in here for SUID lookup. And then from here, we're going to try to go into like the home directory and everything else, see what we can find. I think this is where I actually broke the box last time, was in that SUID lookup. And then I pressed Control C and got back to here, and that's like how I broke the box last time. So I'm pretty sure, okay, cool. I did not break the box this time. So we are not going to look up the SUID. Let's try sudo tac L just in case. You never know. Nope. That's not going to work. Alright, that's okay. Yep, I know, that's not a command. Okay, and then we'll cd into home, I guess. See if we find anything in here. cd into www data. That's kind of weird, okay. Okay, cat flag dot text. So we got that first one, huh? Cool. So we do have the first flag now. So now the box is reacting much faster too, so that's cool. Must have known I was going to sleep soon. Must have known that I was leaving soon no matter what. Alright, cool. So we got that guy right. Now all we need to do is just get to root access, which I can't do a sudo tech L. Every time I do an SUID, it seems to break the box. So there's got to be a way. I should be able to do an SUID without breaking the box. I think I can. I think I should be able to. We could do an SU, right? Remember whenever I did the SUID last time, I did show that we could do a change user. Does that have something to do with this? Because I remember doing that. I remember changing the user. Can I get back to this guy? No. What was the IP address for this guy again? Copy that. Go back to here. Slash fuel, right? We went to there, right? We got the fuel. It was admin, right? Don't show. Like, can I do an SU admin? No password entry for user admin. Of course there's not. I'll change my password later. Is there anyone else on here? Because I couldn't create another user. That was an issue. And there is a admin user right here. Let's edit him. We edit him. Admin. And permissions. What other users do we have on here though? Because I can't create another user. I tried that. I tried to create one. And I tried to say it was Ryan, Ryan1. What about overgrown carrot 1? Email overgrown at gmail.com. Sorry if that's your email. Overgrown. Password. Callie. Don't send him an invite because I know he exists. And we'll just try to save that. Overgrown carrot 1, I guess. Password Callie. See, no matter what I do there, it says that there's an error sending to there. So no matter what I do, it doesn't really matter. At CMS or Ignite? Well, something like that. Username already exists. Okay, wait. So can we, are there other users here? No password entry for user Ryan. Shoot window. No password entry. What do you mean no password entry? That's what I don't understand. Okay, let's get back out to here. Changing, okay. Change the Apache AT access found at the root of Fuel CMS installation folders to proper rewrite. Install the database. Make configurations, that's it. The username is admin. So it tells you without CMS. Install Fuel CMS. Your host name, username, password, and database to match a new database you created. So I'm wondering, can we go to this, like right here? Can we cat that? Can we like cat? No such file. Okay, so CD into fuel. Is there a locate on here? Okay, so there's definitely a fuel on here. So it's in var www HTML. CD into var www HTML. CD into fuel. Install data backup. Where do we want to go now? We want to go to fuel application config. CD into application. Okay, CD into config. Okay, we're getting there. And then we want to go to database PHP. So cat database.php. All right, now let's read through this thing. Supposedly, okay, username is root, password is me. Is that really the password? So let's su to root. Me. Does that just work? Okay. All right. So let's go to cd that root. cd/root. And we'll cat the root.txt. Cool. I'll say. That's why they told us how to set up the very beginning. So I was confused about that part. Like, why would you? Who cares? Awesome. All right. Well, that is CMS, I guess. That is Ignite. If it ever actually lets me put anything into it. I found you. So don't you try to say I didn't. You're right there. I don't know what's going on with try hack me lately, but it's about to stream, but yeah, so I guess we just go in there, install a database, and then put the backup into here and put your username and password in it. So anyone that gets in can just go ahead and go into it, I guess. Alright, well, looks like I've just got to submit that later on. So that one's weird. Whatever it's doing. We go ahead and save that. Nano root.text dot text. There we go. I'll put that in there later on. So yeah, hope you guys learned something. I know I definitely learned something from that one. I definitely learned a lot in that one. So yeah, you guys have a good one. All right, and goodbye.